What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, James Lucas, and we go hard at this. So today we're gonna be reviewing some barbecue seeds. Pass it to me. I said, pass it to me. Thanks for these seeds. Hey, and we have a special guest. Come out, Alabama guy. Okay, we got a collab, dude. It's gonna be lit. 64 degrees right now. It's cold. So, we're gonna be reviewing Big's sunflower seeds barbecue edition. Barbecue. So, let me just hold this real quick because you know you can't move the camera. You can't move the camera, so we gotta put it up to this. Put it up to the camera. See, look at that.
Nice and
Majestic. So, as you can see, we're gonna open this up. It smells like majesticness. So, look at that, yumminess. Yumminess. So, let's review this.
Alright, so how do you review videos work, Jackson? You just taste it and describe?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, that's gross. You spit a seed at me. Fuck you.
Okay. YouTube. Right off the bat, as you taste them, it's freaking delicious. Here you go, Alabama guy. But it tastes good.
What I think is the best way to enjoy the seeds is you get a full handful just like this, right? You get all right here and you just go. Oh, hold it in.
There's two ways of eating seeds. You suck on them. That's what she said. And you crack the seeds. So, I'm going to crack the seed. So you see this seed. Gotta suck the juice out of it. That's what she said. You spread that shit out.
Also, just a quick little notice. Actually, don't eat them all.
You got the seeds.
Don't eat a full handful. It's not good.
Eat that shit. That's some good boo!
Let me get one of those.
Hey guys, who wants this hammer? I don't want it anymore.
You got the seeds right here. You just gotta really savor it. Suck it up for the whole time, and just go.
Get me in the frame, dude.
Oh yeah. And then,
Guys, it doesn't matter. You can edit it out.
once you crack it into some pieces, you got a tiny little seed. That's what you gotta eat. It makes you shit a lot, but it's good. Oh fuck, Josh.
Okay, JB Food Review and Albano Guy signing out. Woo!